Hi, this is Victoria with healthmanifested.com, and I'm here to talk to you about Venus in Virgo. Venus is actually what they call debilitated in Virgo, which means it's not at its strongest point, it's kind of at its weakest point. And people with Venus in Virgo, they are often in relationships that are very organized, and they can also be very analytical and also kind of critical. And they often go into the medical or healing profession, and they make really great healers or counselors. They oftentimes are very critical on themselves and have the potential to be critical on other people. They often forget to love themselves and kind of see themselves as unworthy. But usually around the age of 35 to 40, they become less critical of themselves and of others, and they realize that they are worthy of love and are worthy of being happy. But they also have the potential for drug and alcohol abuse, and they also have a potential to be with partners that might have some psychological issues or also have a feeling of being unworthy themselves. And it's important to realize that they are valuable and they are loved and they are good enough. And that is my interpretation of Venus in Virgo.